Hey everyone, in today's hug, we're going to talk about refried beans. Okay, you heard me, but we're not going to use beans. We are going to use zucchini. So you know how every summer your garden just becomes like zucchini heaven and you just have more than you need and your neighbors are running away from you as you try to share it? Well, I have a way that you're going to gobble that stuff up, and this is delicious, okay? So it is like a mock refried bean using zucchini, and it's delicious. So here's what you need. 3 large zucchini chopped, and 4 slices of bacon, and a half a cup of onion, and a clove of garlic. And you're going to put this all in one pan and let it cook really, really well. So it's just cooking so the bacon gets cooked mostly and the zucchini and the onion and the garlic get soft. So you just cover and cook them until everything's soft, and it's about 15 minutes, okay? Then what you're gonna do is put it in a blender and puree it so it's really creamy and smooth, you know, that same texture that you would get from refried beans. But we're going to reduce it. Then what you're going to do is make a seasoning with a teaspoon of cumin, chili powder, sea salt, oregano, and then a half a teaspoon of cayenne, okay? And you're going to take the zucchini mix out of the blender, pour it back into the pan, and season it with that seasoning and stir it really well, okay? Now you're going to reduce it. So it takes about 15 minutes because you want to bring it up to like a simmering, not a rolling boil, but like a simmer. So it's just boiling a little bit, and be careful because it pops. I don't know why, but it just likes to kind of pop and you can get burned. So keep it on a low heat as long as it's simmering well, and you'll see it start to reduce. When it's reduced by about a third, then you know you've got it ready. And it is absolutely delicious. It gets like a thicker paste instead of like a runnier mix. You'll know the texture when you see it, okay? And it tastes really great served with bison, which I season with taco type seasoning. Okay, I make my own, but you can use like the Trader Joe's one, or our Rayleigh's makes an organic one that's good. And I just kind of vary it up depending on how much time I have. But it tastes great with the bison because then it's like you're having a Mexican dish. You can top it with a little bit of avocado, maybe some sour cream, and it is delicious. Okay, so now you will eat your own zucchini. Anyways, all right, you guys, let's close with our normal big fat juicy hug. Sending you so much love on this Friday. Make it a beautiful weekend. Spring is coming. All right, you guys, mwah, love you bunches. Bye for now.